This is lesson 4.3, part 2. In this lesson, we're going to take a real-world type of an example to model a situation with a quadratic equation using a system of equations, and then we will make a prediction about what's going to happen using that equation. So in our example here, this man shot the ball and it followed this parabola, and we want to predict whether it will go in the hoop. So to begin with, we will take each of these points along the parabola and write an equation. So using the point 210, we can say that 10 equals 2 squared is 4, so that's 4a plus 2b plus c. Then using the point 412, we will write an equation. 12 equals 4 squared is 16, so 16a plus 4b plus c. And then using the point 1012, we have 12 equals 10 squared is 100, a plus 10b plus c. So then we will combine these top two equations by subtracting the black one from the red one. So if we take 12 minus 10, we get 2. 16 minus 4 is 12a. 4 minus 2 is 2b, and the c's are eliminated. Then we will combine the bottom two equations, subtracting the red one from the green one. So 12 minus 12 is 0. 100 minus 16 is 84a, and then 10 minus 4b would be 6b, and the c's are eliminated again. Next, we want to combine these two equations, the blue and the black. When we combine the blue and the black, we want to eliminate something, so let's eliminate the b's. In order to make that happen, we're going to have to multiply the top equation by -3, so that the b's will both be equal to 6. So multiplying by -3, we get -6 equals -36a minus 6b. Combining these two equations, we get -6 equals 48a, and the b's are eliminated, so then we can divide by 48, and we get a equals -1/8. Okay, then we're going to take -1/8 and we're going to plug it back into the top blue equation right here. We're going to plug it right in there, and we'll calculate b, and then we'll take both of those answers and plug them into our original black equation here to get c. As you can see, I did the math here, and I ended up with b equals 1.75 and c equals 7. So the equation to the parabola that the ball is following would be y equals -1/8 x squared plus 1.75x plus 7. And as you can see, the plus 7 is the approximate location where the ball was let go, right about there, and it follows that parabola. Now we want to know, will the ball go in the hoop? So we have to estimate what is the x value here for the hoop. The center of the hoop is at the coordinate 12, 10. So if we substitute 10 into our equation and see if it equals 12, then we can estimate if the ball will go in. Okay, so I had my coordinates backwards, so y is 10 and x is 12. So then we do the math here, and we get, doing the math, we get 3 plus 7, which equals 10. Since the left side of the equation equals the right side of the equation, we can predict that the ball will go through the hoop.